1. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. A. First conditional. B. Zero conditional. C. Second conditional. D. Third conditional. 2. If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. A. First conditional. B. Second conditional. C. Third conditional. D. Zero conditional. 3. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the exam. A. Zero conditional. B. First conditional. C. Second conditional. D. Third conditional. 4. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. A. First conditional. B. Second conditional. C. Zero conditional. D. Third conditional. 5. If you press the button, the machine stops. A. Zero conditional. B. First conditional. C. Second conditional. D. Third conditional. 6. If I more time, I would learn another language. A. Have. B. Had. C. Will have. D. Would have. 7. If she studies hard, she, the test. A. Passed. B. Will pass. C. Would pass. D. Had passed. 8. If they to bed earlier, they wouldn't be so tired. A. Go. B. Went. C. Had gone. D. Would go. 9. If the train late, we'll take a taxi. A. Is. B. Was. C. Will be. D. Would be. Ten. If you mix blue and yellow, you green. A. Get. B. Got. C. Will get. D. Would get. Eleven. If I was you, I will take the job. A. Replace was with am. B. Replace will with would. C. Replace was with were. D. Both B and C. 12. If you don't miss the bus, he would be on time. A. Replace didn't with doesn't. B. Replace would be with is. C. Replace don't with hadn't. D. Replace on time with early. 13. Match the sentence to the type of conditional. If you eat too much sugar, you get cavities. A. First conditional. B. Zero conditional. C. Second conditional. D. Third conditional. 14. Match the sentence to the type of conditional. If they work hard, they will succeed. Dot A. Zero conditional. Dot B. First conditional. Dot C. Second conditional. Dot D. Third conditional. 15. If I see her, I will tell her the news. I saw her and told her. B. I might see her and tell her. C. I will see her yesterday. D. I never see her. 16. If the weather is nice, we, for a picnic. A. Go. B. Will go. C. Would go. D. Went. 17. If I were rich, I, around the world. A. Travel. B. Will travel. C. Would travel. D. Traveled. 18. If you, to bed earlier, you wouldn't feel so tired. A. Go. B. Went. C. Will go. D. Had gone. 19. If she calls me, I, her the truth. A. Tell. B. Will tell. C. Would tell. D. Told. 20. If I would have known, I would help you. A. Replace would have known with had known. B. Replace would help with would have helped. C. Replace if with when. D. Both A and B. 21. If the sun shines, we would go to the park. A. Replace shines with shone. B. Replace would go with will go. C. Replace if with when. D. No correction needed. 22. If you hadn't left your wallet, you, the bus fare. A. Pay. B. Paid. C. Would pay. D. Would have paid. 23. If you don't water the plants, they will die. The plants are already dead. B. The plants will die only if you water them. C. The plants might die if you forget to water them. D. The plants will die if you don't water them. 24. If I had studied more, I would have passed the exam. A. I didn't study enough and failed the exam. B. I studied hard and passed the exam. C. I didn't take the exam at all. D. I will study harder for the next exam. 25. If she had known about the meeting, she would have come. A. She attended the meeting. B. She didn't attend the meeting because she didn't know. C. She missed the meeting because she was late. D. She will attend the meeting.